Hey, this is James, the XD Man with Guns and Gadgets Daily, and today we're going to be talking about the Ed Brown, fueled by Ed Brown M&P series. So Ed Brown has been in the firearms industry for over 50 years, specializing in 1911s, analyzing and being meticulous with every single part to make functional works of art. They squeeze every bit of performance and functionality out of the pistol. So what happens when you let all that engineering experience at Ed Brown and give them the task of taking, let's say, an M&P pistol that is great and let them work their magic on it? Well, the engineers take a look at the pistol and basically say, barrel and slide? Forget about it. The locking block? Forget about it. The stock trigger? You guessed it, forget about it. What are you left with? A polymer frame. And it's from that polymer frame you end up with the fueled by Ed Brown M&P 2.0. Look at this bad boy. Woo! Why would they do that? Well, let me show you. You take the pistol. That's tight. That's nice. That's accurate. But usable. Again, functional artwork. What did they do in this? They made a brand new barrel. Threaded. Brand new stainless steel slide. They got rid of the M&P shape and came up with their own design. Specialized cuts. They even got rid of the M&P dovetails. They went with a Glock mounting system so anybody could change those sights. They partnered with Ameriglow for a high visibility front. They partnered with Apex triggers. Whoo, that is sweet. They didn't stop there. They actually designed their own magwell and base pads for super fast reloads. But wait, there's more. They went inside, built a brand new oversized locking block that again, fitted slide. Just when you thought there couldn't be more, there is. They actually went through and made their own frame pins because they wanted to get every little bit of accuracy out of this platform. They then cut the slide for an RMR. This example has one of the Trigicon SROs on top. Super fast. Beautiful, functioning art by Ed Brown. So who is the fueled by Ed Brown M&P for? Everybody. If you're a professional shooter, if you're a SWAT team guy, if you're an operator, or just a wannabe, this is a sweet gun. It has an MSRP of between $2,000 to $2,500, which sounds like a lot, but think about it. Ed Brown didn't just do a little bit of gunsmithing. They didn't build a Gucci Glock with parts that are drop-in. No, they re-engineered and built a brand new gun in their image. You're getting a full custom package. Breathless. All right. So we've had fun shooting the Ed Brown, fueled by Ed Brown M&P 2.0. Now let me tell you how to get one of your own. If you follow me at The Real XD Man on the different socials, you'll find a link to the high octane 3.5K guns and gear giveaway, where you could get your own Ed Brown, fueled by Ed Brown M&P 2.0. You get a sweet inside the waistband crossbreed MT2 holster, one of my favorites. You get your own case of ArmScore ammo, perfect for the range, and we'll send you a pack of targets by Challenge Targets, the sweet shoot, no shoot targets that we've been shooting at. No, silly, we're not going to send you used ones. You're going to get brand new ones. And here's the best part, brother. We're actually going to give you a chance to get one of coatings from the man himself, all in one huge package. $3,500 worth of goodies, and you can get it. No M&Ps were harmed during the making of this video, but they definitely are worse for wear. All for the Instagram and YouTube. It's not perfect. We took an M&P pistol, the M&P 2.0, this is a 1.0 version, my personally owned gun, and give them unlimited resources to take a look at the gun and make it better. Well, you end up with the Fueled by Ed Brown series. So we've had fun shooting the Ed Brown, Fueled by Ed Brown M&P, with the Fueled by Ed Brown series. Even a case of ArmScore ammo, upside down even. A case of ArmScore ammo, and follow ones from me. But best of all, brother, you're gonna be